little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 12, that is keeping safe. So in this chapter, I will tell you about how you should keep yourself safe while you are at home or at school or on the road or at the playground. Right? Because carelessness, what? Carelessness से क्या होता है? You may meet with an accident. So keeping safe. Here you can see an image in which the car is moving and both the children, they are standing there, right, because of the traffic. So I will tell you how you will follow these traffic rules. So keeping safe means most of the accident. देखो ज़्यादातर जो accident होते हैं हमारी carelessness की वजह से होते हैं, दूसरा जो इंसान है उसकी carelessness की वजह से होते हैं. Word safety means to stay away from getting hurt. It is the most important thing of our life. We must learn to be careful if we want to be safe. आपको careful रहना है. Follow certain rules to stay safe. So these are known as golden rule of safety. Now safety at home. Keep your things in proper place so that no one trips on them. Right? Do not play with matchstick. You may burn your hand. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, scissors and blades. Never touch electrical switches and plugs with wet hand. Wear rubber slippers or shoes. या तो आपको rubber वाले slippers या shoes पहनने हैं. Now safety at school. Do not push each other while climbing up or getting down the stairs. Do not climb or jump on chairs and desks. Always wait for your turn while you are getting on or off the bus. Do not keep any part of your body outside of moving vehicle. If you or someone else hurt, you should inform your teachers or an adult who can help. Right? Now safety on the road. आपको रोड पे नहीं खेलना है. Do not play on the road. Always play in the playground. Do not walk on or run on the road. Always walk on the footpath. ना तो आपको walk करना है, ना ही आपको भागना है रोड पे. कहाँ पे walk करना है? फुटपाथ पे. While walking, cross the road when the light is red. देखो आप walk कर रहे हो. आपने देखा कि जो light है, traffic light, वो red है. Then you can cross the road. At the red light, the traffic stops and road is clear for crossing. और आपको किसका यूज करना है? Zebra crossing का. ठीक है? Obey traffic rule. There are traffic lights on the road which have 3 colors. Red क्या बताता है? Stop. Yellow बताता है get ready. और green क्या बताता है? Go. So we should always walk. हमेशा आपको left side of the road पे walk करना. Now safety at playground. Do not play near the railing. Play safe games. आपको safe games खेलने. Wait patiently for your turn at the swings. Do not stand right in front or behind them. Right? If you get hurt, call out an adult or friend to help you. भाई अगर आपको चोट भी लग रही है तो आप अपने कोई भी एडल्ट मेंबर हो या कोई बड़ा मतलब हो वहाँ पे उसको आपको हेल्प लेनी है. सो दीज आर द सेफ्टी रूल्स दैट यू शुड follow when you are in the playground. Right? I have told you about all the safety rules that you should follow, right? At the school if you are on the road or at home and your playground. Hope you understood each and everything. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. That's all for today.